Ayan, nandito na nga po tayo sa loob po ng Wildlife Park. Ayan, nasa Wildlife Park po tayo. So, i-check po natin. So, may nakita na po tayo ngayon. Dalawang lion. Pero natutulog po sila. So, masyadong pumataas ang sikat ng araw. Oh, what is that? Cheetah?
Tiger.
Tiger?
I think that's different.
Oh. Ayan po, may nakita po kami ulit na isa.
Caterpillar, or something.
Let's see. What is that? Yeah, explore po natin. So, asaan? So, nasa kabila po, ayan. Small tiger na parang, what is that? Yeah, masarap po mamasyal dito kasi nakaka-relax po. Maraming puno at mahangin. So kahit sobrang init po siya. How many inside? Oh. May nakita tayo dito.
There is something happening.
Let's go there. Yeah. So, punta po muna tayo doon at may nakita tayong may program po doon.
Oh, there are guinea pigs. This one.
Where?
Guinea pig.
It's inside.
Guinea pig. Guinea pig. What is there?
So, hindi po natin masyadong makita yung mga hayop.
Grizzly bear.
Tig-isa lang. Where's the bear?
Oh my god, it's hiding.
Oh. So, hindi po natin makita ngayon ang bear. Dahil nagtatago. Ito. Andun yata siya sa kanyang kulungan. Or wala dito. Where is the grizzly bear?
It's inside the cage.
Oh.
See their house.
Under the ground, their house. So, medyo po magkakalayo. Medyo magkakalayo po dito ang mga cage. Wala pa rin tayo nakikitang. Dalawa pa lang nakikita natin. That is tiger ba?
Lion, no?
Lion and two lions, pero natutulog po sila.
It's a mountain tiger.
At nakatalikod.
The mountain tiger.
And the other one is lion also?
No, tiger.
Tiger. The other one is tiger.
The mountain.
Yan.
Bobcat.
Oh.
What is this?
So, may show po doon. May program po sa dulo. Pupuntahan po natin ngayon. Sleeping what? What heart?
Black bear.
Oh? Black bear? Where? Oh. Kaya lang malayo. Heart, go far.
No, this is not black bear. Don't touch. You don't need to do any experiment.
Don't. Imran, you don't know. Electric.
Oh, that is lion, na? Sleeping? I think that is lion. Not look like a bear.
Still nothing. What is their loony? Japanese macaque. Macaque. Macaca?
Monkey.
Oh, monkey?
Yeah.
Only one monkey. Monkey. So may nakita po tayo isang monkey. Only one, that's why sad. Hello. How are you?
Taba. Same run mama taba.
How are you? Why you go far?
Don't like. You don't like.
Oh, he want to be alone. Don't touch Imran, don't touch. Ah, there's a wonder heart.
No, we will go like this.
So napakalawak po. Imran, let's go.